Welcome to Züs Network, your private cloud solution. In this video, we will be showing you how to migrate your files onto the Züs Network using the Vult Desktop app. First, open your Vult Desktop app and go into the All Files dashboard page. To migrate files, look for the cloud icon with the down arrow and click it. From the menu, choose the cloud service provider to migrate files from. Decide how to handle existing files, like overwrite or skip, and set a date range to only migrate files modified during that time. In this example, we will be starting with Google Drive. Click the Google Drive icon and sign into your account. Then follow the steps to grant access to Vult. Once the authorization is successful, click the Start Migration button. Here, the menu will show you information about the migration status, such as estimated time for completion and the list of files that you will be uploading. How long this will take will depend on how many files you are migrating and how large they are. Once complete, a pop-up will appear in the top right corner confirming your migration was successful. Give it some time to load the files. When ready, your files and folders will appear in the All Files dashboard page. To switch providers, click Log Out. Then choose your desired provider. In the second example, we will select Dropbox. Like before, you will need to give Vult access to your Dropbox. Once authorization is successful, click Start Migration. Wait a few moments and your files will appear. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Follow us on X, and for any questions or support, join our Discord.